जैसे कि आप लोगों ने ऑलरेडी मेरा टाइटल देख लिया होगा फ्रॉम डे वन टू टेक ऑफ माई कैबिन क्रू ट्रेनिंग ऑफ कोर्स. So yeah, hello visual sky stars and travel dreamers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let me take you behind the scenes, one of the most thrilling chapters of my life, of course, which is cabin crew training. Yeah. So trust me, it wasn't just training. It was a roller coaster ride of like full of emotions, laughter, friendshipness, and yes, lots and lot of makeup and lipstick, which I hate. I feel like a day one was like one of the like butterflies in the belly and heels on my feet, to be very honest. But walking into the training center on the very first day felt like entering a new whole world because I can see polished people, perfect posture, and lot of smiles that could light up an aircraft. Aircraft के बारे में zero knowledge था हम लोगों को, but फिर भी we are like just going through the flow. I was very nervous, excited, and secretly also praying that I wouldn't trip over my heels. Spoiler alert, I did it twice. But the trainers, absolute gems, to be very honest. They welcomed us like we are already flying. Their confidence level was so high. Their energy really made us believe that, yes, girl, you have got this. तो हमें जो सिखाया गया है वो है सेफ्टी फर्स्ट ग्लैम लेटर विच इज़ वेरी वेरी ट्रू गाइज. पीपल थिंक दैट cabin crew is all about glam. So no honey, let me tell you, we are trained first aiders, we are trained for different emergencies, lifesavers, from fire drills to emergency landings to CPR to ditching in water. We covered it all. And let's not forget the most iconic line of our careers. In case of loss in carbon pressure, oxygen mask will deploy from the panel above you. Yep, we practiced that 100 times till we could say that in our sleep, to be very honest, and even with the smile on our face. Now let's just talk about friendship. Friendship at 35,000 feet. So some of my good friends today, whom I met them during training, we laughed together, we slept together. No. We slept together. No. We cried together during our tough exams. We cried specially for vivas, to be very honest, जिसको अभी भी देखकर डर लग जाता है, and celebrated every little win together, of course. From perfect safety demo to finally nailing that oh so sassy walk down the aisle. We weren't just learning, we were bonding over dreams, drama, and too much of tea and coffee. Basically, I'm a tea lover, so I would say tea, of course. Now let's talk about mirror, mirror on the wall. So grooming days, most scariest days I ever faced, to be very honest, in iFly. Grooming days were a mix of beauty and discipline, hair buns, red lips. I hate red lips, and that good uniform. But I don't like it anymore. It's not just about looking good, it's about representing the airline with pride. Since as you all know, हम लोग को as a brand ambassador जानते हैं, so yeah. And don't ask us how long it took me to get my eyeliner even. Please don't ask. But when we stood in line fully dressed, I felt like we are a part of something very big family, a family of sky. We are ambassadors, brand ambassadors. जैसे वीडियो बनाती हूँ लगता तो नहीं है वैसे, but leave it guys. So here it comes, the final day, wings and happy tears. So basically it was a graduation day. We wore our uniforms, not just the trainees. Like we are not trainees anymore. We wore the uniform as cabin crew. We received our wings, and let me tell you that we may be small, but then we carry very big dreams. Tear flowed, selfies were taken, videos were taken, and a heart full of emotions and everything. So it wasn't just the beginning, but then a journey above the clouds. So, final thoughts for the dreamers. So, cabin crew training taught me more than safety and service. It taught me confidence, teamwork, and a lot of things. And also, how to stay calm even when someone yells, like, I want another blanket, ma'am. So, if you're dreaming of soaring the skies, meeting new people from every corner of the globe, and growing every single day, go for it, guys. It's the best place. It is really also worth it. And just remember one thing, once a cabin crew, always a cabin.